Hello friends. In today's class we are going to talk about different type of operating system service managed by an important term called system calls. Hello everyone, welcome again, and what we are talking about here is the system call. Okay, so the definition of the system call is a way for the program to interact with the operating system. So when there is a program, okay, and program, and what can be this program? Is this program can be typically it can be a user program, or it can be a system program. Okay, user program is like an application program, which is something like a word processor is there. Suppose word processor, and suppose for system program we have a compiler. Now they want to interact. Okay, word processor want to interact with the operating system. Okay, so that is made or done by using system call, a way of program to interact with this operating system. Now few points here: that programming interface to the services provided by the operating system. So why they want to interact is they want to avail some services. Okay, so programming interface to the services provided by the operating system. So just in the previous section we have seen there are many kind of services provided by the operating system. Okay, provided by operating system, concerned with file, concerned with IO, concerned with the execution of a program. So there are many things that it provides, and program want to avail those services. Now these are typically system calls are typically written in the high level language C or C++, and now this is an important term that is somewhat we are not really familiar with. Mostly accessed by program via high level API, application program interface. So how this system calls are being made by using your application program interface APIs rather than direct system call use. Okay, so they are not directly calling the system call, but we have an interface, application program interface. So three most common APIs are Windows 32 APIs. This is one of the most common for Windows. For POSIX API for POSIX based system, including virtually all versions of Unix, Linux, and Macintosh operating system, and Java API, Java application program interface for Java virtual machines. Okay. So these are does not directly call the system calls, but we use some interface to call them. And if you want to, let's say, so for Windows, if you want to want to build some let's say a file copy or file delete application, okay, file copy or file delete application, then you have to use the Windows API to execute them. Okay, so that is a system call, a way of program to interact with operating system, different types of system. So that's all for this session. Thank you.